Niagara-on-the-Lake's George Bernard Shaw Festival attracts thousands of visitors each summer. Performances of plays by Shaw, his contemporaries, and Canadian playwrights run from April to October. Special events include sing-alongs, workshops related to Shaw's plays and the annual Shaw Symposium. 2 of the 4 festival theaters are on Queen Street, the rest are at the Shaw Festival's Production Center, just a short walk away on Queen's Parade. You can choose between evening and matinee performances. All of this theater going means that early evening in Niagara-on-the-Lake is a very busy time, but most shops and restaurants close fairly early. Plan ahead and allow plenty of time for your evening meal, as restaurants are generally quite busy. Tips for visitors with mobility issues. Visitors with mobility issues should check with each theater to find out about accessible seating and washrooms, restrooms. The newer theaters have special access seating, but all of the theaters require you to ascend and descend steps to get to most or all of their seats. Many of the shops and restaurants along Queen Street also have steps, making it difficult for wheelchair and scooter users to enter. Accessible Niagara, a website created and run by Linda Crabtree, offers detailed, up-to-date evaluations of restaurants, wineries, hotels, and attractions in Niagara-on-the-Lake and Niagara Falls. Accessible Niagara is an invaluable tool for travelers with mobility impairment. Crabtree has Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease and uses a mobility scooter, so she understands the needs of travelers who use mobility aids.